Man, they be wanting to keep y'all dumb so they can keep taking your money. That's why they don't tell you this stuff. They want to keep taking your money. So that's why I'm about to jump into five, five key tax terms that everybody should already understand. You need to be navigating the world of taxes with way more confidence and understand taxes. So first up is income. Simply put, it's basically just the money that you earn from your job, investment, or any source. I like to think of income as the water that goes into your bathtub. It's the foundation of your tax calculation. The government basically uses your income to fund things like roads, schools, and healthcare. And the more income you have, the more taxes you'll likely owe. Now, if you underreport your income, then that's going to lead to penalties, interest, audits, and basically they're going to come tax your ass. But seriously, that's income. Next, we have deductions. These are expenses that you can subtract from your income to reduce your taxable amount. So think of a deduction as like scooping water out of that bathtub that I was just talking about. This is how the government basically measures how much is left to tax you. And deductions actually help taxpayers reduce the burden of paying taxes. They can basically lower your taxable income. So if you miss out on eligible deductions, that means that you're probably going to pay more taxes than necessary. So you got to be on top of that. Like if you're actually doing those things, you need to make sure you know what you're doing. Write them down, keep them, and mark them, whatever. Put them away. Next, we have credit. And this is a direct reduction in the amount of tax you owe. So think of credits like coupons. Like that's how I like to think of credits. They provide that target tax relief for specific individuals or activities like education expenses or renewable energy investments. And they basically reduce your tax liability, and sometimes they can even result in a refund. Now, missing out on credit means you're basically leaving money on the table, so you need to be on top of that. Make sure you understand your credit. And then we also have one of my favorite tax brackets, which are basically just a range of incomes that you're taxed at different rates. So I like to think of it like a staircase, each step representing a different tax bracket. And your income climbs higher into a different tax bracket, but it also means you're going to get taxed higher. It's like a progressive tax system is what it is essentially. And your tax bracket is also what's going to determine the rate at which your income is taxed. So if you don't understand your tax bracket, you probably should look into that because sometimes that can lead into surprises, especially if you start making a lot of money or you're making a significant amount of money compared to what you were doing before. And then lastly, we have your filing status, and that's actually it's not last, but your marital situation. So like, are you married? Are you single? Etc. Think of it as like choosing the right size shoe for your foot. It needs to fit your specific situation. So your filing status ensures that the tax system considers your individual circumstances. And that can actually significantly affect your tax liability. So if you choose the wrong filing status, then you might end up paying more than necessary. So if you're married, you better choose the right stuff. Make sure you do it the right way. And yeah, that's it. That was the last one anyway. I changed my mind. That was the last one. That was 5. That's just a very quick high level overview of the 5 key tax terms. So go do me a favor and look at your latest pay stub and see if you can identify things like your income deductions and your filing status. I know this all sounds very simple and basic, but you would be surprised at how many people don't understand their taxes and how empowering it is to understand that. It puts you in control of your finances and helps you make better decisions. Learn, man. Remove stress. Take charge. It's just the basics, but you just got to walk through the tax world with confidence. So appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and tips. And I'll see you in the next one.